Blech. Grotesque, vile creature. That one sounds like a retching zombie. I would like him to take him and his decomposing self and vacate the building, taking his disgusting body noises with him. His disease-ridden coughing is enough to wake the dead. His shuffling through the kitchen reminds me of some of the ghouls lurking in the crypts, feasting on corpses. His mere presence breeds pestilence. I want him out of this building and away from my poor ears. And the souls of the damned don't even deserve this punishment. The world will be well rid of that one.